Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Foster here. Happy New Year. And to celebrate the New Year, I'm going to show you the new drink I'm drinking. I don't drink any hard alcohol. I only drink wine. And I'm trying to even cut back more on that. But I discovered this drink. I created it myself, where you're going to get, well, it's going to, well, you can't say it's healthy, but it's a wine drink that I've been ordering that I really like. So check it out. Mike's new drink. Happy New Year. Let's have a great 2023. Health for everybody. And let me just sip this little cocktail. Check this baby out. It is made with, you're going to get a nice glass with some ice. Squeeze a lemon. Now, nice white wine. I like a Pinot Gris or a Pinot Grigio. This one is at the Willamette Valley in Central Oregon, which is, my gosh, it's a beautiful place. And this is a Pinot Gris. You can use a Chardonnay if you like that. I like unoaked Chardonnays, or you can use a Sauvignon Blanc. Pinot Grigio also. Viognier. There's lots of nice, it's like a nice light white wine. Not sweet, not really sour. For your sour, you use grapefruit juice. All right, and this is Knutson's, the best brand. This is organic. There's no sugar. It's all natural. So the lemon is healthy for you. The grapefruit juice is healthy for you. Grapes are healthy for you. Wine, we'll see. Let's put this baby together. You start it off with the wine. And you're going to give it it's just about a half and half drink. There you go. It's a simple drink, guys. Didn't say it was brain work. You finish it off with this delicious grapefruit juice. And then you just add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Got to cover it with your other hand because this stuff is going all over the place. Alrighty. Then you just give it a little mix. And there's your drink. Here's the best part. I'm going to take a sip of it. Alrighty. There's the drink. There's the thumbnail. Salute. Cheers. Happy New Year. That's good, but there's an ice cube that was just blocking it, so let's get a different angle in here. You can't even taste the wine, which could be, could get you in trouble. But these are easy. These are easy to drink. They're not going to get you ripped. They're going to give you a little, a buzz from the wine, and they're delicious. Gorgeous. And citrus is good for you. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at YouTube. Subscribe and tell others. Till next time, peace.
Live life 365.
I think I spilled a little bit. I haven't even drank it yet. There you go. And voila, there's your drink. Get that spoon in there. Okay, the camera's off, right? Oh. Oh. Sweet back. Oh, you got it. Happy New Year. Baba.